Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana hit my target area for the wave 2. It's all good, yeah, which is very helpful and gives more confidence that we actually are in this current wave 2. Now we need to be on high alert that wave 2 could be over. So we're going to zoom in a minute. But yeah, the target area that I defined for you yesterday was reached earlier today, or in fact actually overnight. So let's take a look at where we actually come from. From the low here at $25.80, I believe it was, on the 13th of June, we could count a series of impulsive waves to the upside. A wave 1 here, a wave 2 down, then another wave 1 up and a wave 2 down, another wave 1 up and a wave 2 down, and another wave 1 up and a wave 2 down. So basically, in summary, we've got 4 1-2 setups here. Now that if this is going to be now a bullish scenario indeed, then we really need to see some movement now, because while you can have quite a few of these 1-2 setups in a chart, and it's basically, you can see it as a coiling up before a big move to the upside, then something also needs to happen, right? If it doesn't, and you get too many of these 1-2 setups without really seeing the price move, then it is most likely just a bearish wave and a corrective wave. And to be honest, of all coins, Solana is the one that really is one of the weakest at the moment. It has failed to make any movement. Even ADA is stronger at the moment in the price movement, and even Bitcoin, even though that's quite slow as well. But yeah, Solana has failed to really break out here above this, but that might be due to this key resistance area which we have on the chart here, 48.42. A key level above which, if we break above this level, then we could have a rally to around $58, okay? But we haven't done that yet, and as long as we don't get above that level, we need to be a bit careful here with Solana, absolutely. So for now, however, we can be carefully bullish as long as the key support levels are holding of those wave 2s. For example, here 34.80 is one level, $34.80, and the most imminent one that needs to hold is the $39.20 level. All right, so let's just take a look and zoom in here further, just to take a look at this the very latest 1-2 setup that we have on the chart here. So from the low at $39.20 here, I mean, that absolutely has to hold. Yeah, we moved up in an impulsive wave in a wave 1 to the upside, and we came down in a wave 2. I made you aware yesterday that we are probably getting into this area here between $41.20 and $43.70, and that we could potentially see the wave 2 as complete here. Now this is sitting between the Fibonacci levels which are relevant, so between the 50% Fib level and the 78.6. so yeah, you can see those levels here on the chart. From here we've already seen a reaction to the upside. Now it's a bit too early to be super confident that this correction is over. Currently I don't think it is over yet, because I don't have evidence yet. We can draw a trend line here that is very useful. Those things often work. So have that trend line here ready. That will give you an indication. If that trend line is breaking, then you have a good indication that wave 2 might be indeed in. If we only bounce off this descending trend line, that it will obviously carry on and could indeed come down here to the 78.6% Fib level at $41.20. So that's a key level to break. Next level to break would be that swing high here at $47.30, and then we will have to move above $48.40, and that will be a key level. So that level, $48.40, I've been talking about for weeks. If we get above that level, it will also probably lead to a rally all the way up to $58. That would also be the next target here for the wave 3 in white. I think in that wave 3 in white, actually we might not get to 58, but it depends a little bit on how low we come here in the wave 2. So as long as we really now see an impulsive price action to the upside, I won't really be able to calculate the wave 3. Now at the moment, we see some nice and green candles, but we did that here as well. And as long as this is becoming an impulsive price action, which means we want to see 5 waves on a lower time frame, we can't really be confident that this is over. This could for now only have been the wave A to the downside, the wave B is now coming, which would be a corrective wave in any case, the wave B, and then we would come down in a wave C once more and could then, yeah, maybe reach that 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So again, until we really see impulsive price action, first of all above the descending trend line, then above that next swing high, and best indication or best confirmation would be a move above the 48.40 level, a very, very important level. I'm sure a lot of people will have their shorts positioned here, so be careful about that. Okay, and that's pretty much the update about Solana at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.